Hello everyone, welcome back to TechsChumz channel. In this video, I will show you how to adjust your alarm volume separately on iOS 27. First, open the setting app, then go into sounds and haptics. Here, you will see the volume settings. By default, the alarm and timer volume is linked with the ringtone volume. And now scroll down and find the options for alarm and timer. Turn off the options that says match the ringtone volume. Once you turn it off, you will get a separate standard for alarms and timers, so you can control it individually. You can also do the same for alerts and system sounds if you want more control over your volume setting. And that's it. Now your alarm volume is separate and fully customizable in iOS 27. And if this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to TechsChumz for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.